Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on this channel we are going to be drafting a basic sleeve pattern, so make sure you watch this video from start to finish to learn how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. Here on Evalyn Stitches channel we upload videos every week on how to draft patterns. So if you don't know how to draft patterns, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, like this video if you end up liking it, and without further ado, let's jump straight to the tutorial guys, shall we? So to start off, you'll be needing your marker pen, your pattern master, and of course your measuring tape. After that, I'll just take my pattern master and draw a straight line in the middle of my pattern paper. So just take a pattern master and draw that straight line in the middle. After that, I'll be drawing a line across as my starting point. That line will be my starting point. From there, I'll go down by 4 inches as my bicep point. Please don't make it more than 4 inches, because 4 inches is just okay for your bicep line. So after that, I'll be marking that 4 inches around so that I can get a straight line. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my pattern master to make a straight line from there across. From there, I'm going down straight from that first line. I'm going down straight to my elbow line. That line will be my elbow line. So I will just take your tape, measure from your shoulder bone to your elbow line, okay, and whatever you get there, you mark it across your pattern paper like so. I'll be labeling that as my bicep point and my elbow line. After that, the next measurement I'll be taking is my shoulder to wrist measurement. Just take your tape and measure from your shoulder to your wrist, and then you mark that line there. Whatever it gives you, you mark it across your pattern paper. I labeled it my wrist line, so I'll know which line is for which. So after that, I'll be going up to my bicep point and be marking my upper arm measurement. My upper arm circumference, I'll be dividing it by 2. I got 12, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. I'm marking 6 towards that side and the other 6 towards, like so. So just do exactly what I'm doing in this video. From there, I'll go down to my elbow line. I'll measure my elbow circumference and divide it by 2. I got 9 inches. 9 inches divided by 2 is 4.5. So I'll be marking 4.5 on the left and 4.5 on the right. It's just as simple as that, guys. Then I'll go ahead to use my pattern master to draw a straight line from those 2 points. I'll just take my tape and measure, as you can see me doing like that. I'll measure so that I'm going to get my wrist measurement. So this is how I'm going to be taking my wrist measurement, like so. Whatever I get, I'll just divide that by 2 and mark it across. So guys, if you are finding this video interesting, please hit on the like button and hit on the subscribe button, okay? So after that, I'll just make a straight line from that point to my elbow line. Just draw a straight line there, okay? After that, I'll be making a triangle towards from my bicep point to my shoulder line. I'll be making, just look at what I'm doing in the video, and this is how I'll be drawing that line across. Okay, then I'm going to label that part my front and the other part my back, so that I'll know which one is which, because the front and back sleeves are not exactly the same. I'm going to be measuring that line. Whatever I get, I'm going to be dividing it by 4. So just, I advise you use your measurement, measure whatever you get. You can press it on the calculator, whatever it gives you, you mark it across. So first off, I'll be dividing it by 2, then I'll divide it by 4. So guys, please, if you don't understand what I'm saying, you can look at what I'm doing in the video. So I'm going to be having 3 points. If you can see very well, I have 3 points. So from that first point, I'm going to come out by 0.75 inches. Sorry, 0.75 inches. So you can see that point over there. That point towards the last side, I also be coming out by 0.75 inches. Please guys, just do exactly what I'm doing. Then from those points, I'll be connecting those points I'm pointing at in the video. I'll be connecting them together. From there, I'll connect it to that point, to the other point, and please feel free to watch this video as many times as possible so that you understand what I'm doing. Okay, so I'll just be using my hand to trace off that line. I'll continue drawing until I get a very smooth curve. So I'll be moving up to the back, and from the back I won't be dividing it by 4 but by 3. I'll be dividing whatever I get by 3. So you can just press it on the calculator, whatever it gives you, you mark it. So I think I got almost 2.5 inches. I'll be marking it there, 2.5, and I'll be marking it there. I'll be having 2 points there. So from that last point, I'll be dividing that last line that you can see there. I'll be dividing it by 2. Okay, so that I can have 3 points just like the front. So after that, from that first point, I'll be coming out by 0.75, just like we did in the front. Then from that last small line, I'll be coming out by half an inch. So it's that simple, guys. From the first line, I came out by 0.75, just like the front, and from that last small line, I came out by half of an inch. Okay, I'll just be drawing that line out so you can see it very well. Then I'll be connecting those lines together to form the other part of my sleeve. Okay, you can see that the front and the back are not the same. Also, if you notice, I didn't add stitching allowance to this because I'm going to do that when I'm marking on my fabric. So guys, if you want to add stitching allowance, feel free to do so. And I think that's basically it for this sleeve tutorial. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to cut this pattern out. As I was cutting, I realized that I didn't add stitching or folding allowance to that part, so I'll make sure I do that when I'm marking on my actual fabric. Please guys, pay attention to the parts I'm going to be cutting out. I'm going to be cutting out the thick black lines. I'll be cutting them throughout very carefully. I think that's basically all for this sleeve pattern. So guys, if you found it helpful, please give this tutorial or this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because I upload videos weekly on how to draft patterns and how to sew. So if this sounds like fun to you, make sure you hit on the subscribe button guys, and you can be using this sleeve pattern to make whatever sleeve you want to make. So please guys, make sure you stay tuned to my channel, because I'll be using this sleeve pattern to make a lot of beautiful sleeves. So if you don't want to miss any of those things, please hit on the subscribe button, like this video and share with friends and families, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.